Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Minute. Today we have a 2023 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to show you how to do a super easy mod on your truck. Alright, so today we're going to be installing a Garmin dash cam with a Dongar Technologies power adapter. So these Dongar adapters are designed to be plug and play, so all you have to do is plug this into the back of your auto dimming mirror, and you can power any USB device while your car is running.
The adapter comes in this nicely designed box with their socials on the back, as well as some technical product information here on the side. Once we open the box, we see two pouches. One contains 3 short-length USB cables, a mini, a micro, and a Type-C, and the other contains the adapter itself.
So the first thing we need to do is bend the mirror down and out of the way so that we can get access to this port back here. Alright, so next what we're going to do is press down on this tab back here and pull the head out. And this here is what we're going to connect the Dongar adapter to. Now we're going to plug this end of the Dongar adapter in where the mirror connector was. And now we're going to plug the original connector into this end of the Dongar adapter. Cool. And now we have a USB port.
Before we move on to the next step, let's power on the vehicle and make sure our unit is receiving power. To confirm this, you should see a blue LED light up inside. This means your unit is receiving power, and so is mine, so let's continue.
So since I'm installing a Garmin dash cam, I'm going to grab the micro USB cable from the Dongar box, and we're going to plug that into our port. So we'll just plug that in there, and plug this into our dash cam. And we have power, yeah! While we've got the screen up, I'm going to decide where I want to mount this that I'll have a good view and it won't be obstructed like it is right now. I'm thinking right about here. So there you have it. I have my Garmin dash cam installed with the Dongar adapter so I can hit the road with no cables in sight. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and please consider subscribing for more content like this. Cheers, and drive safe, y'all.